Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Quntis e-reader lamp. With a listing on Amazon says clip on laptop, USB keyboard, light, USB powered reading lamp for laptop with brightness and UV adjustment. Feature no screen glare for home office and travel, and it's not even expensive. It's a really small one here, and it has a lot of good reviews on Amazon, so I thought this could be really interesting to show you. There's also a little bit of description here on the box, but let's open the box and see what we get. So here we are. There's even some small instructions manual, just a couple of pages, and as always I'm trying to show you this thing here. I think we are already done with the English part. It's a little bit mirroring. I hope you can see everything. So it's no rocket science. I mean, it's light for a laptop, so it shouldn't be too difficult to use. I mean, we get this nice transportation bag. This can be really helpful. And it's really small, lightweight, but still has a lot of LED lights here. So I brought this laptop here so I can show you that. Here we have this nice clamp. You can see it can be made really wide, so it should actually fit for any kind of laptop. At least I would say these days shouldn't be a problem. And so as you can see, it's very easy. It has a really safe, nice hold, and so we can use any kind of standard USB power source. Here we use directly the power from the laptop, but you can use a power bank or any other kind of USB power source. So here we are, nicely mounted, secured. It's even hard to see it, so I turn down the light a little bit. So here you are without any kind of light, and you can see how difficult this is already to type, and it's not even really dark. There is no illumination here for the keyboard. There's no illumination from the screen, or at least not a lot. There are some very high priced laptops which have their built-in keyboard illumination, but this is really rare. And you can see it now when we turn on the light with this button here. It's a total different thing here, different world, and it's still not reflecting. I mean, it's not mirroring, and it's not blinding me or something like that. And you can see we have a lot of different levels. This is the lowest level, and I can even increase the brightness level to really bright. And now let's turn it down again. You can see so, and also we have a lot of possibilities to limit the angle here when we turn it either down, so you can see we have just a little bit illumination in the back, or we can illuminate the whole thing, so you can move it around with this nice joint here and select the area which you want to have illuminated. So really nice thing, I would say. Definitely very comfortable. For me, absolutely not mirroring, no nothing. So actually pretty perfect solution, I would say. I've always been wondering how I could improve the typing during the night, and this is a really nice solution. You can see it's really bright. You can see that's very evenly illuminating the whole area, and we have even some different kind of white. You can either select a very cold white or warm white or something in between. A lot of different settings, so it should definitely fit for every taste or every situation. So for me it definitely works, so I can give you full recommendation on that. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about your thinking. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.